OTC, CGLS, channel 2 and 2. Yes, sir. Standby step switch to RF is complete. That'll be steps 441 through 450. And on step 445, KSCA as an alpha was selected.
Okay, copy GLS. And I'll give you step 455 if you want to start that.
Okay, sir. We'll put that in work. Thank you.
OVCC OTC 212.
Yes, OVCC, go ahead.
Astrovan is at the pad.
Copy.
OVCC OTC 212.
Yes, OVCC, go ahead.
Okay, you can proceed with crew ingress operations when the crew arrives.
Copy.
OTC GNC.
Go ahead.
Yeah, can we get our CMQC 141?
Affirmative. QC 141.
Copy.
OTC asked with ingress, suit fans we powered up, commander pilot seats to be adjusted and cockpit lighting is going to be changed.
Okay, I copy that. DPD, you copy?
DPD copies. OTC GNC.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're ready for a GMT and MET Delta adjust. Step 507.
Okay, what about 506? Did you do that?
Yeah, that's complete.
Okay, copy that. Stand by. CDPS and CISL OTC?
DPS.
Precisely.
Okay, on step 509, perform GMT and MET adjustment for sequence 49 and QC over on 152, please.
Copy.
OTC, CMPS.
Go MPS.
Give you steps 4, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67.
Okay, thank you. GD OTC?
Go ahead, OTC.
You can resume normal monitoring.
I copy 480, 468.
468, affirm.
OTC, OVCC, CDR board.
Copy that, thank you.
OTC DPS.
Go ahead.
566 complete.
Copy that.
OTC GNC.
Yeah, you've got to go on 567.
Okay, that's what I was asking for. Thank you.
CGLS OTC.
CGLS on 2 and 2.
Okay, I'll kick you off on 568, your GLS initialization by the clock unless you want to go early.
Negative, we'll stand by and do that by the clock.
Copy that. BSE, OTC 212. CBSE, OTC 212.
122.
OTC COFC.
Go ahead.
Yes, we're complete with the RCS status command test, 512, and this is 514.
Copy. Step 512.
Through 514.
Okay.
OTC, CGLS 2 and 2.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. We've completed the implementation of SAP 92. That'll be steps 455 through 462.
I copy that.
And per step 569, FEP dual interrupt notification will be activated momentarily and may cause re-enunciation of error messages at systems consoles for interrupt monitored parameters currently out of GLS limits. And with that, we'd like a CMQC on channel 162, please.
Copy that. QC 162.
Copy.
OTC CDR. Comtech.
CDR OTC, I read you loud and clear. Good morning, Mike.
Good morning, Bruce. We got you the same. MTD, CDR, Comtech.
Mike, read you loud and clear. How may?
Good morning, Al. We got you the same. Houston, Endeavor, Comtech.
Endeavor Houston, good morning, Mike. We got you loud and clear. How many?
Okay, Charlie, we got you the same.
Things are going real smooth here.
That's good to hear.
OTC, OVCC, PLT aboard.
Copy that. Thank you. BGSS OTC 212.
This is CGLS.
You want to do step 576, your OA accumulator force charge.
Copy. In work.
PBSC OTC 212. RSRT OTC 212.
This is RSRT on 212.
Yes, sir. Step 586, load new tapes for range safety monitor station. And support terminal countdown. Ensure VCRs are set to record on your T number.
Stand by, that'll be the other lab.
This is RSRT on 2112. I copy. Will do.
OTC CMQC.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir, we have a new line item 216. It's against sequence 16, step 0697, and it's IPR 068 Victor 0110.
I copy that. Is line item 215 closed?
No, sir, not of my knowledge right now.
Yeah, they're both the same.
TC, OVC, MS4 aboard.
I copy that. Thank you much.
OTC CGLS.
Go ahead.
I can verify 577 and 578.
I copy. GNC OTC 212.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you want to do step 589 at this time?
No, we'll do that per the clock.
Okay, you've got to go per the clock.
Thank you.
589 and 590.
Copy.
OTC CMQC.
Yeah, go ahead and move your mic closer, please.
Yes, sir, I showed that 215 is a PR, and 216 is an IPR.
Okay, we need a new copy of the constraints list out here, please.
I copy. OTC CMQC.
Copy 214 closed.
That's correct, sir.
OTC, this is RSRT.
Go ahead.
Step 586 is complete, TAC 1170.
I copy.
OTC, PLT, contact.
PLT, OTC, I read you loud and clear, sir. Good morning, Terry.
Morning, Bruce. NTD, PLT, contact.
Terry, read you loud and clear. How many?
I've got you loud and clear also. Good morning.
Good morning.
Houston, PLT, contact.
Good morning, Terry. We got you loud and clear. How many?
Got you loud and clear too, Charlie. Good morning.
OTC, CBSE to 12. So OTC, go ahead. Roger, 585 is not performed. Copy that.
OTC GNC.
Go ahead.
Yeah, 589, 590 complete. We'd like to go for 600 by the clock.
Okay, by the clock, you've got it.
OTC, ask.
Go ahead, ask.
Commander pilot ingress complete, ready for post-ingress switch reconfig for the aft checklist.
Okay, you have a go on that.
Roger.
OTC, COFC 212.
Stand by one. COFC, OTC, go ahead.
Yeah, do I have a go for RCS command status test?
Okay, what's your step?
Okay, that's complete. 0512. Yeah, through 05115, that is complete.
Copy that.
OTC, ask. Post-ingress switch reconfig complete.
Okay, copy that.
OTC, ask. Icon volume will be adjusted with caution of warning, and master alarm will be tripped using parameter 99.
Okay, copy that. ISL, you copy?
ISL copy.
I copy.
OTC COF6.
Go ahead.
I'd like to report 528 through 531 complete.
Copy that.
OTC, OVCC, MS1 aboard.
I copy that. Thank you.
OTC MS4, radio check.
MS4 is OTC. I read you loud and clear. Good morning, Tom.
Morning, Bruce. You're loud and clear also. NTD MS4, com check.
Read you loud and clear, Tom. Help me.
You're loud and clear. Good morning, Al.
Good morning.
Houston MS4, com check.
Good morning, Tom. Houston has you loud and clear. How many?
Hey, you're loud and clear, classmate.
Hey, you're ready to go again. Things are looking really good.
Good to hear from you. Houston Endeavor, com check. Houston Endeavor, com check for the CDR.
Endeavor Houston, loud and clear, Mike. How many?
Yeah, Charlie, after 3 of those com checks, we decided you have a slight echo.
Okay, well, that's good to hear. We did some extended checks earlier, and we'll see if we can't get GCs to help us fix that.
Okay, yeah, it's very slight, but it's there.
Okay.
OTC CAFM.
Go ahead.
I'm ready to discuss IPR 110 with you when you have time.
Okay, we'll do that on 232.
Copy.
FCP OTC, 212.
This is FCP?
Yeah, by the clock, perform a fuel cell purge on channel 153 and report complete QC 153.
Copy.
SCP copies.
OTC, OVCC, MS3 aboard.
I copy that. Thank you.
OTC CGLS 212.
Head GLS.
Yes, sir. Step 710. GLS initialization is complete.
Copy that.
OTC MS1, com check.
MS1 is OTC. I read you loud and clear. Good morning, Steve.
Bruce, good morning. I have you loud and clear also. NTD MS1, com check.
Read you loud and clear, Steve. Help me.
Good morning now, loud and clear also. Houston MS1, com check.
Steve, Houston has you loud and clear. How many?
Charlie, good morning. I have you loud and clear also.
Good morning. Things are looking great.
Copy.
OTC, OVCC, last one aboard.
Copy that. Thank you. Attention all systems. Verify you're ready for crew module closeout. Report by exception.
OTC, COFC 212.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I was wondering if I could talk to CDR for a moment.
CDR OTC.
Go ahead, Bruce.
Go ahead, COFC.
Yeah, we need the CDR SBTC fully forward. Okay, how's that? Copy, thank you.
OTC, FCP?
Go ahead.
Okay, I can give you 602. Fuel cell purge complete.
Copy that.
OTC MS3, how do you read?
MS3 OTC, I read you loud and clear. Good morning, Jeff.
Good morning, Bruce. NCD MS3, how do you read?
Pretty good, Jeff. Read you loud and clear, Jeff. How me?
Loud and clear, Al.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. MS3, how do you read?
Good morning, Jeff. Houston's got you loud and clear. How many?
You're loud and clear, Charlie. Good morning.
Things are looking really good down here. And for Mike, CDR Houston, we'd like to get another read from you on the echo if it's improved at all.
Charlie, I think you got just a very slight echo, but we read you loud and clear, so I don't think we need to mess with it anymore.
Okay, we copy that.
OTC, MS2, how do you hear?
MS2 is OTC. I read you loud and clear. Good morning, Dan.
Got you the same, Bruce, you're loud and clear, thanks. ATD, MS2, how do you hear?
Read you loud and clear, Dan. Help me.
You're loud and clear, too, good morning.
Good morning.
Houston, MS2, how do you hear?
Good morning, Dan. Houston has you loud and clear. How many?
You're loud and clear, Charlie, good morning.
Go here, Bald. ASP OTC, air to ground 1. ASP OTC, air to ground 1.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. When you're ready, you can close out the crew module per your checklist.
And what?
Attention on 212. Any conversation on OIS channel 212 during Astrocom check will be heard by the crew. Channel should remain silent except for emergency calls. CDR OTC on air to ground 1.
Go ahead, OTC.
Yes, sir. Would you verify the flight crew is ready for their Astrocom checks?
Bruce, we're ready.
Okay, copy that. Endeavor flight crew, during the Astrocom checks, go ahead and adjust your volume. We'll check air to ground 1, 2, ICOM A, B, and air to air in that order. And do not change the audio panel switch configuration. And we'll start on air to ground 1. Endeavor flight crew, TC, how do you read air to ground 1?
CDR, loud and clear. PLT, loud and clear. MS1, loud and clear. MS2, loud and clear. MS3, loud and clear. MS4, loud and clear.
Roger, copy O, loud and clear, going to air to ground 2.
OTC, OVCC.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we need a channel for NASA to buy off the TR log in the firing room.
Copy that, channel 142.
Copy 142.
And QC 142, please.
Copy.
Endeavor Houston, we're ready for the air-to-ground voice checks for the CDR and PLT. Configure for air-to-ground 1, and call me when you're configured.
Roger, that works. Houston, Endeavor, we're configured.
Roger, Endeavor for the CDR and PLT. Com check on air-to-ground 1.
CDR, loud and clear. PLT, loud and clear.
Okay, Houston reads you both loud and clear. Configure air-to-ground 2. Roger, Endeavor, com check for the CDR and PLT on air-to-ground 2. And Houston has you both loud and clear. Configure UHF.
Houston, Endeavor, we're configured for simul voice check.
Okay, Endeavor, for the entire crew, how do you read on simul voice check?
CDR, loud and clear. PLT, loud and clear. MS1, loud and clear. MS2, loud and clear. MS3, loud and clear. MS4, loud and clear.
Endeavor Houston, we have you all loud and clear, and this completes the air-to-ground voice check.
ASP OTC, air to ground 1.
OTC, call out.
Yes, sir. Egress the crew module. Verify when you're ready for hatch closure.
Roger, we're just about ready.
PVD OTC 212.
This is PVD.
Do you need to configure vent doors?
Negative.
Copy that. 694 not performed, 95.
ASP. All non-flight items removed, ready to terminate ASP comp.
I copy that. You have a go.
OTC, CMQC.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir, we have somebody on 142, but no one's answering.
Okay, we copy. Okay, just tell them to stand by on 142.
Copy, sir.
OTC, CL212.
Go ahead.
Can I get CMQC on 143?
CMQC 143, please.
Copy.
OTC 212.
It's GNC.
Yeah, step 709 and not perform.
We don't know yet.
Okay.
OTC, OVCC.
Go ahead.
All right, Bruce, we're standing by for your go to close the hatch.
Okay, you have a go, and for orbiter op support setup 20.
All right, we'll put that in work here momentarily.
OTC, CMQC.
Go ahead.
Yes, was that step 697? We have constraint 216 there.
That's AFM. That's not there anymore. Stand by a minute. CAFM OTC.
CFM, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Your constraint, IPR 110. We're ready for hatch closure.
Copy that. We will write a CR for that.
Okay, just sign it and move it. That's all you have to do.
I copy that.
OTC, GNC.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead, GNC.
Yeah, we're still waiting on the call on 709.
Okay, we don't know if they failed or not, right?
709 is a not perform.
Okay, copy that. Can you verify a loss of data at this time?
Now we can.
Okay, you can handle it at this time?
Yep.
Copy that. Attention all systems, a momentary loss of downlist will occur at this time.
CMQC, OTC 212.
Go ahead.
Okay, on 232 we got concurrence from SPE and NTD to move line item 216. New constraint is 1082.
Copy.
OVCC, OTC 212.
So OVCC, go ahead.
Yeah, we got a request from safety if you guys could pick up the air duct and point it towards the guys working. That's it. Thank you.
CMQC, OTC.
Go ahead, sir.
Yeah, they're calling the person that you have standing by on 142. They could come up on channel, please.
Copy, sir. PC, CMQC.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Line item 215 is closed, and the only line item we have open at this time is 217.
Copy that. PCSC, OTC. PCSC, OTC.
Go ahead.
And RCRT, OTT.
I'm sorry, say again?
Yeah, RCRT, are you there?
This is RCRT.
Okay, I want you to support S-band to high power on channel 232.
RCRT copies.
And CCSE copies, we're already monitoring.
GLS, OTC 212.
GLS on 212.
Yeah, perform by the clock your GLS mainline activation.
Okay, sir.
OTC, did you call CMQC?
Negative. DPS, OTC.
DPS.
Yeah, step 794, DPS launch countdown sequence. Perform that by the clock.
Copy.
OTC, OVCC.
Go ahead.
All right, we have the hatch closed and we got the probe hooked up ready for UCL pressurization.
Okay, the hatch is closed and latch for flight. Is that affirmed?
That's affirmative.
Okay. QC, step 703.
Copy.
PCL, OTC.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, and CDR, OTC, air to ground 1.
Go ahead, Bruce.
Yes, sir. Stand by to perform cabin leak check. Master alarm and light will come on as a function of high cabin pressure. CDR should notify ECL of cabin pressure master alarm. Cabin klaxon and master alarm will also sound due to high cabin decay rate. Reset master alarms. CDR on panel L2A1.
Good.
Cabin vent. Vent isolation switch open until the vent isolation talkback open. Vent talkback close.
Yeah, that's complete.
Copy that, ECL.
I can verify 706.
Okay. And ECL, you've got to go to perform your crew module pressurization and leak checks on 143 QC 143.
Copy 143, and we need CDR's number.
Negative.
Copy.
OTC, CL.
Go.
I just want to remind the CDR to give me a mark when he gets to the master alarm.
Okay, CDR, you copy?
Yes, sir, we'll do that.
Copy that.
OTC, CL 212.
Go ahead.
I'd like to get a CDR to give me a panel 01 rating for the cabin pressure.
CDR, OTC?
What?
Panel 01 reading for cabin pressure.
Looks like about 15.1.
ECL copies.
OTC DPS.
Go ahead.
795 through 799 complete.
Copy that.
OTC CGLS 212.
Go ahead.
GLS mainline activation is complete. That'll be steps 778 through 784, and we'll take a not perform on 781.
Okay, copy that.
OTC, CDR, got master alarm.
Copy that.
For
ECL,
cabin
copy.
pressure.
ECL copies.
OVCC, OTC 212.
SLVCC, go ahead.
For step 815, you can close out the white room for op support setup 20. Verify the ECS air damper is closed and chamber ECS air damper open and report complete.
We'll stand by on that till we get done using the hose for the hatch interface.
Copy that. CCME, OTC.
CCME, go.
Step 738, perform RF FEP source verification on 128
Copy, going to 128.
and QC 128.
Copy.
OTC, CCME back from 128.
Copy that. OVCC, OTC 212.
SLVCC, go ahead.
Yeah, come up on 232, report to NTD.
Copy.
OTC, CL 212.
OTC.
Oh yeah, we're going to be removing the probe, so we may get a master alarm and klaxon.
Copy that. CDR, stand by for master alarm in Claxton.
Okay, Bruce, standing by. OTC, CDR, we got the klaxon master alarm, we punched it off.
Copy that. Copy, ECL.
ECL copies.
Go ahead, Al. Okay, we'll see what they...
CDR, OTC, air to ground 1.
Go ahead, Bruce.
Yes, sir. Perform past BFS transfer prep.
Roger, in work. OTC, CDR, the past BFS transfer prep is complete.
Okay, copy that. And did you perform your OHMS GN2 press?
Roger, in work.
And PLT, OTC, perform water spray boiler GN2 supply activation.
From the PLT, that's in work. OTC, CDR, OHMS GN2 press is complete.
I copy.
And OTC from the PLT, water spray boiler GN2 supply activation is complete.
Copy that. Thank you. COFC, OTC. And LPS, OTC. LPS, OTC.
OTC, LPS.
Yeah, COFC, OTC.
COFC.
Okay, step 835, set up your printer plotters.
QFC copies. Putting 836 into work.
Copy that. CPD OTC 212.
The CPD, go ahead.
Yeah, check mech pre-flight bite, step 845.
Copy that. And work.
CTD, OTC, CDR.
Go ahead, CDR.
Yeah, we didn't see any class with the 3 on it.
Okay, thank you. ECL OTC. ECL OTC 212.
Go ahead.
Okay, where are you?
We're just waiting for them to finish putting on the safety wire.
Copy that.
And OTC PD.
Go ahead.
I'll give you 845 through 848 complete.
Copy.
OTC COFC.
Go ahead.
GNC SCRS printer plotters subsystem setup complete.
Okay, copy that.
OTC, CDR.
OTC, go.
Yeah, Bruce would like to message reset on CRT3.
Okay, copy that. ISL, you copy. You have a go.
Okay, thanks.
And DPS, you copy.
DPS copies.
OVCC, OTC.
Yes, OVCC, go ahead.
Come over to channel 143, please.
Copy.
Endeavor Houston, for the entire crew, simul comm check, how copy?
CDR, loud and clear. TLT, loud and clear. MS1, loud and clear. MS2, loud and clear. MS3, loud and clear. MS4, loud and clear.
Endeavor Houston, we have you all loud and clear also, and I've got a couple of updates for you for your ascent checklist when you're ready to copy.
Okay, Charlie, go ahead.
Okay, the first is for your no-comm mode boundaries. The press to ATO boundary is now 13000. Press to MECO 14300. Signal engine press 19200. 2 engine Zaragoza 104 is now 6200. 2 engine Marone is 6100. And 2 engine Ben is 6400. I'll copy.
Okay, Charlie, press to ATO is 13000. Press to MECO 14300. Single engine press 19200. 2 engine Zaragoza 104 6200. 2 engine Marone 6100. And 2 engine Ben 6400.
That's a good copy, and I also have your for your weather pads the max rates for first stage, and if you're ready, I can give you those.
Okay, go ahead, Charlie.
Okay, your max
VCC,
roll
go ahead.
will be 2 degrees per second at 60 seconds. Pitch 1 degree per second at 80 seconds, and yaw less than 1 degree per second.
Okay, copy that.
And Zaragoza is still prime. We have no changes to the weather per the forecast you had going out the door. Everything's looking great.
Okay, great. Thanks, Charlie.
About 20 minutes and holding.
JRPS OTC 212. Okay, gave you step 887. Change MTU test set to delay 0.
That's verified.
Orbiter systems verify program software. Report only if any discrepancies. 889.
OTC CGLS.
Go ahead.
Step 911 will be not performed.
OTC CMQC.
Yes.
OTC GNC.
Go ahead.
Pre-flight line is complete, and we return to DU back to C12, and also we're complete to step 954.
954, copy. (955) not performed, QC.
Copy. OTC, CMQC.
Go ahead.
Line item 118 has been closed. We have no constraints at this time.
Copy that.
This OVCC, go ahead.
143, please. GSS OTC.
This is CGLS.
Yeah, 958, you can start your second HU pump.
Copy that.
OTC, OVCC.
Go ahead.
Okay, side hatch is closed and latched and lock carrier panels on.
Okay, copy that. OVCC, OTC.
It's OVCC, go ahead.
Okay, verify all your drag-on lines have been removed from the OAA trussway.
I can verify that.
Okay, you can clear the white room.
TC, CRT-12.
Go ahead.
Okay, our crew module pressurization initial cabin integrity leak check is complete. We can proceed with the cabin vent redundancy configuration.
Copy that. CDR OTC.
Go ahead, Bruce.
Yes, sir. Perform cabin vent redundancy configuration.
Cabin vent redundancy config work. OTC CDR cabin vent redundancy config is complete.
I copy that, CDR. ECL, you copy?
Yes, sir.
FCO NTD, com check on 212.
NTD, FCO on 212, you loud and clear, how many?
Loud and clear. CHGD, CGSS, JBFX, verify active on 212 and monitor 232 for remainder of count HGD.
CHD verifies.
CGSS.
CGSS verifies.
JBFX.
JBFX verifies.
Copy. This is NTD with the T-minus 20-minute briefing. Launch window opens at 10:54 GMT and closes at 13:24 GMT. A second launch attempt is possible. If a hold is requested and issued between T-minus 9 minutes and T-minus 31 seconds, countdown clock will be restarted upon successful resolution of the problem without a ghost survey made of all elements. PLT, at T-minus 5 minutes, perform APU start upon command of OTC only.
PLT, copy.
CDR, pad egress system is nominal and the evacuation helipad is 8, and that's straight down the road toward pad B. CDR, do you copy?
CDR copies helipad 8.
All right.
Roger, helipad 8.
That's firm. Helipad 8. Firing room launch team disable telephone ringers at this time. All personnel, bear in mind that critical post-launch operations will be in progress after a successful launch, so keep firing room activities and noise to a minimum. That concludes the briefing. Are there any questions?
GNC OTC 212. GNC OTC 212.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you gave me 946. Affirmative?
That's correct.
Okay.
NTD copies.
OTC, PTC. Step 955 not performed.
Copy, 955, not performed.
T-minus 20 minutes and counting.
Attention all personnel. After transition to Ops 101, discontinue all LDB PMU reads for remainder countdown.
TC, CRT-12.
Go ahead.
Cabin vent redundancy check and final cabin integrity check is complete. That's step 802.
Okay, you got 803.
803 is a negative 0.001.
Okay, 804.
And we're ready for the cabin vent.
CDR OTC Airground 1.
Go ahead.
Yeah, the klaxon and master alarm may occur in the next step due to high cabin decay rate. Reset master alarm. CDR open cabin vent isolation valve.
Roger, cabin vent at work.
And CHED step 804.
HGD copies 804. OTC, CGSS.
Go ahead.
I need to find out from OVCC what configuration the white room damper valves are in.
OTC DPS.
Go ahead.
Step 966, pass ops transition complete, ready for BFS transition to ops 101.
I copy that.
OTC, CPVD.
CDR OTC.
Go ahead.
Yeah, take BFS to ops 1 per your checklist.
Didn't work.
KD safety. Road safety. Have we got a verification on 851, sir? That's negative. Copy.
OTC, CPVD. We need to get our vent doors recycled before the transition.
Okay, you have a go.
Copy.
OTC, CDR, I understand you want me to hold up on the ops 1 BFS to ops 1?
Yeah, affirmative. Just hold up that for a second.
Okay.
OVCC, OTC 212.
It's OVCC, go ahead.
Yeah, what is the white room damper configuration?
ECS chamber is in open. The orbiter is in closed.
I copy. Copy CGSS.
CGLS copied.
OTC DPS.
Go ahead.
Does PVD understand that we're already in past G1?
PVD OTC.
Okay, this PVD, we've got our vent doors reconfigured.
Copy that. CDR OTC.
Good.
Okay, take BFS to ops 1 per your checklist.
Didn't work.
OTC, OVCC.
Go ahead.
All right, we're done. We're clearing the white room.
I copy that. Safety console pack entity. Safety. Pack. 870 white room is being cleared. Safety copy. Pack copies. CPVD OTC.
That's PVD.
Environmental chamber clear to personnel, reconfigure vent doors. And that's done, so that's complete, correct?
Affirmative.
NTD step 876. Copy on 870, 871 complete. JFR NTD. Power console NTD 212. LTOTC.
Go ahead, sir.
Configure path and BFS
This is
HSI
JFR.
displays per your checklist.
JFR.
That's some work.
JFR NTD 872.
OTC.
Copy and work.
Go ahead, CDR.
BFS ops 1's complete, non-expected messages.
Okay, copy that. Configure contingency abort yaw steer per your checklist.
Didn't work.
E to D, SPE.
Go ahead, SPE.
Yeah, can I have PVD on 161, please?
PVD 161.
NTD CVFS, ready for uplink on BFS.
Alright, copy. Flight NTD. PVD NTD. CSS OTC, configure ohms RCS crossfeed for flight.
CWS copies.
Houston flight NTD.
OTC, CDR, configure contingency abort yaw steer is complete.
I copy that. Yes, TM NTD, provide video track. Copy, CPD, second signal 281. CFCD, and CCL adjust fuel cell loads to between 250 and 290 amps, 1013.
APD copies.
FCP copies. Safety Council NTD. ECL, you copy?
Safety. ECL copies.
Non-essential personnel are clear of the LDA and CCF, 851. PLT, OTC.
Safety copies.
OTC, PLT, go ahead.
Yes, is your horizontal situation configuration complete?
I believe that's negative. Can you confirm KSC 33 is still at RQS runway site?
I'm sorry, say again, please.
Confirm KSC 33 is our RTLS runway.
That's affirmative.
Okay, thanks.
OTC, double S.
Go ahead.
Ohms RCS crossfeed valves configured for flight. That's step 999.
And flight, I'm on flight loop. I copy 985.
And NTD flight on command channel. I can give you 985, and I can also officially remove the constraint on the forecast for RTLS. We are currently go and observe go at all sites.
OTC, horizontal fit configs complete.
Okay, copy PLT. Perform MPS helium reconfig.
Good work. OTC CDI.
Go CDR.
Houston flight, NTD on the flight loop.
Confirm.
Flight, this is NTD, this is flight.
And OTC,
OTC, the MPS helium reconfig complete.
Copy that PLT.
And OTC, PD, I can give you fuel cell load adjust complete per step 1013.
Copy, thank you.
OTC, CL212.
OTC CDI.
Go ahead, CDR.
Baseline confirm, past BFS transfer is complete, and I'm ready to report cabin press.
Okay, stand by. Go ahead, ECL.
I was just saying that cabin vent is complete and we're ready for the cabin pressure readings.
Okay, CDR on panel 01A1, report cabin pressure.
Yeah, at 01 we have 15.5, on the CRT we have 14.8.
Okay, I copy ECL.
And I can record 14.77.
Copy at CDR CRT3 established BFS system summary, SM system summary 1 to...
Roger, that's complete.
Okay, report cabin pressure.
Okay, Bruce, that's 14.8.
Okay, I'm sorry, on C2, left CRT, select switch to 3.
Okay, that's complete.
CRT3, major function switch, SM.
That's complete.
Left keyboard, system summary.
Complete.
CRT3, BFS, SM, system summary 1.
Okay, that's complete.
Okay, on CRT3, establish GNC, BFS memory display.
Stand by, Bruce.
Copy.
OTC VFS.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. T-minus 20-minute dump is complete. 1 miss compare as expected.
Copy that.
Bruce, I don't think we need to go to op 0. Or spec 0, excuse me. I can confirm which step you're in.
I'm in step 864. And that's where we establish a GNC BFS memory display.
OTC DPS.
Go ahead.
We won't get BFS memory at this point.
Okay, I copy that. Just not perform this?
That's correct.
Okay. CDR, close the cabin vent valves, please.
Okay, cabin vent valve. Okay, vent closed, vent valve is complete.
Okay, I copy.
JBFX NTD, step 985 is complete.
Copy.
STM NTD. Go ahead. 109, terminate OIS to bed. Copy. And that's 1011 STM. Copy.
Attention all personnel, discontinue all non-mandatory LDB traffic for remainder of count.
NTD safety.
Go ahead, safety.
Yeah, we lost our tracking for our closeout crew.
STM NTD.
That was sequence 181. Still up. Okay, I'm trying to follow them. I don't.
Yeah, they're not tracking now. They just switched to another camera.
Stand by, I'll check.
DVD OTC, step 1052.
We can verify.
Copy that.
NTD, this is JFI on 212.
Go ahead, JFR.
Did you copy that we can verify that 0872 has been completed?
Copy. SP NTD.
SP go.
Okay, how do we stand on the lost number 3 in the crew compartment? Has that been dispositioned?
Yeah, it's been dispositioned, and I believe it's on and off the constraints list already.
Okay, and
Might check with quality.
okay, and how about CBRS? Or is CBRS and the range satisfied?
The CBRS data looks good.
And guess we need to pull SRO.
SRO entity.
SRO?
Okay, CBRS had a multipath problem, and he ran a troubleshooting procedure and proved it was that, and I wanted to check with you to make sure that that your range safety personnel are satisfied and that you have no constraint.
That's affirmative. We have no constraint for that at this time.
Copy. Did you copy that CBRS and SP?
It's SP, copy. CBRS copies.
Okay, and SP, at this point, we have no constraints. Is that affirmed?
That's heard. Entity safety.
Red safety.
Give you 1007, 1008.
Copy. PAC, close that crew is at A11.
PAC copies.
SRO entity.
SRO?
1010, KSC area is clear for launch.
Copy.
Entity STM.
Go ahead, STM.
1029, pad OISD activated.
Copy. And you can terminate tracking.
Copy. TCHGD.
Go ahead.
I give you step 1067.
Copy that. ISL JRPS Houston flight entity.
Flight 212.
This ISL.
It's JRPS. 1053, you can activate recorders.
We'll put that in work at this time.
Copy.
And OTC could we have CMQC and 145 also?
CMQC 145.
Copy.
This is NTD on air ground 1212, taking a launch status check. Say go, no go for launch. OTC? Go. TPC?
Go.
PTC?
Go.
LPS?
LPS is go.
Houston flight?
Houston flight is go.
Mala?
Mala, go.
STM?
STM's go.
Safety?
Safety councils go.
SP?
SB go.
CDR?
Go.
LRD?
LRD's go.
And SRO?
SROs, go. You have a range clear to launch.
Copy. Launch director, the launch team is ready to proceed.
Copy, and we'll conduct the management poll. Payload operations.
Payloads a go.
Copy, John. Engineering director.
Bob Engineering is go.
Copy. Safety and quality director.
Safety and quality is go.
Copy, thank you. And range weather.
Launch director, range weather has no constraints to launch.
Okay, thanks, Ed.
Yes, sir.
And mission management team, chairman.
And Bob, the MMT is working, no issues, you're cleared to launch.
Copy, thank you. Endeavor launch director on air to ground.
Go ahead, Bob.
Okay, Mike. Well, looks good from down here, so given the next 10 minutes goes well, we ought to be able to turn it over to you and the flight team. Given that, you guys have a good one.
All right, thanks a lot, Bob, and thank the folks at KSC for getting our vehicle ready for this mission to planet Earth.
Copy, thank you, sir. And NTD, go to proceed.
Copy. Countdown clock will pick up at T-9 in 2 minutes.
NTD ISL.
Go ahead, ISL.
Yes, sir. Apps 2 recorders activated. That's step 1054.
Copy. Countdown clock will pick up in 1 minute.
Countdown clock will resume on my mark. 3, 2, 1, mark. GLS auto sequence has been initiated.
SRO entity.
SRO?
Did you do some type of switch over on your range system? CBRS is reporting a dropout on all systems.
Standby 1.
PLT OTC, configure fuel cell essential bus source switches.
NTD SRO, that's affirmative. They were attempting to reinitialize the CMEV system, troubleshooting a modem problem with Bermuda Command. We're back up at this time.
Copy, CBRS.
OTC from the building.
Copy.
CBRS go.
Yeah, did you copy that, CBRS?
Yeah, we're good. We're fine. We just make sure that they're okay.
And SRO, your go? SRO entity.
This is SRO.
Your go?
And we are go.
GLS is go for OAA retract.
And OTC, PLT, copy. The central buses are connected.
That's affirmative, thank you. JRPS OTC, start APU and hydraulic strip chart recorders.
JRPS copies.
PLT OTC, perform APU pre-start.
APU pre-start's in work.
GLS's go for orbiter APU start.
PLT OTC, perform APU start.
APU starts in work.
CDR OTC, reconfigure heaters.
Heater reconfigure is complete.
Copy.
APU starts complete, looks like 3 good APUs, OTC.
Not copy.
GLS's go for purge sequence 4. GLS's go for ET-LO2 pressurization.
PLT OTC, clear caution and warning memory, verify no unexpected errors.
There's no unexpected errors, and that's in order.
Not copy.
OTC caution and warning memory clear is complete.
I copy that. Endeavor OTC, close and lock your visors, initiate O2 flow, and all of us here wish you a safe journey.
GLS's go for
Thanks a lot. We'll see you in a few days.
GLS go for ET-LH2 pressurization.
1 minute, 30 seconds. 1 minute.
GLS go for auto sequence start.
25. 20. 15. 10.
GLS's go for main engine start. We have a cutoff. GLS safing is in progress. RSLS abort flag is on. Pass 101, BFS moded to 102, LDB shows 1.
NATD SBE, perform RSLS abort. GLS safing is in progress.
Copy, launch team, that's page 909. CDR, perform BFS safing.
And NTD, GLS
BFS safing is in work.
ignition set picks are saved. All engines are in post-shutdown standby. GLS is go for orbiter APU shutdown. And we have no MPS fire detectors tripped at this time.
Copy. CMPL, do you have your water on?
BFS safing.
Water is on.
Go ahead, CDR.
BFS safing is complete.
JBFX, have you terminated your launch cooling sprays? PLT, perform APU shutdown.
APU shutdown's in work.
CMPL, CLOX, verify LOX bleed path is established.
CMPL can verify.
CLOX verifies.
CMPS, start LH2 topping and line drain, sequence 29.
JPS copies.
GLS, fire detector status.
No MPS fire detectors were tripped, and our primary safing is complete. We'll go for transition to G9.
MPL, fire and leak detectors. Step 31.
We look good. All green.
Copy. And CMPL, report your water deluge status.
Water is, SSME heat shield spray is running.
CLHY, report your leak detector status.
LHY.
Report leak detector status.
No leaks detected at this time.
Copy, and is the tank vented?
It is vented.
Copy. CGSS, verify OA is extended and locked.
CGSS can verify extended, locked, and no indications of fire.
Copy. PLT, do you have your APU shut down?
APU shutdown complete.
Copy. Launch team, proceed to the safing sequences, page 935. Post-abort safety checks, page 935. ISL?
ISL verifies.
DPS?
DPS verifies.
CCME?
TCME verifies.
CSME?
SME verifies.
CMPL?
No fire verified.
CLHY?
LHY verifies 8910.
CLOX?
CLOX verifies 11 and 12.
HGD?
HGD verifies 13 and 14.
CGSS?
CGSS verifies 15.
APU?
APU verifies 16.
CBHY?
CBHY verifies 17.
EPD?
EPD verifies 18 and 19.
WOS?
CLOX verifies 11 and 12.
HGD?
HGD verifies 13 and 14.
CGSS?
CGSS verifies 15.
APU?
APU verifies 16.
CBHY?
CBHY verifies 17.
EPD?
EPD verifies 18 and 19.
WOS?
CWS verifies.
CBRS?
CBRS verifies 21.
Abort safety checks are complete. Proceed to sequence 18, page 1033.
Picking up on page 1033. Picking up on step 22, CDR OTC, reconfigure heaters.
Roger. Heater reconfig is in work.
Copy. Copy.
OTC, CDR, heater reconfig is complete.
NTD copies. Copy on panel F7, flight controller power switch off.
Flight control power switches off.
9 verified.
On panel R1, power distribution essential bus source, fuel cell 1,
Copy.
2, and 3 switches, all 3 off.
In work. That's complete.
Copy. Panel F8, flight controller power switch off.
That's complete.
CGLS OTC, verify OA is extended, locked, and configured for retract.
CGLS can verify.
NOC CGLS can configure, we're configured for PCMMU to remote.
Okay, CDR panel C3.
Go ahead.
OI, PCMMU power switch off.
That's complete.
That copy?
NOTC GLS primary safing is complete. We're go for transition to G9.
Copy.
Houston flight entity.
Go ahead. Houston flight.
Step 32, can you verify BFS SPC buffer is clear and ready for transition to G9?
We're ready for transition G9.
Copy. CMPL, CLOX, CLHY. Step 33, verify configured for G1 to G9. CMPL.
CMPL's ready.
CLOX. CLOX is ready. And CLHY.
LHY verifies.
You got to go, OTC.
Copy. DPS, perform pass transition to GNC9.
DPS copies.
Okay. SP entity. SP entity.
This SB, go ahead.
Okay, what kicked us out?
All we know back here is MCF on engine 3. Let's have CCME help us out on decoding that MCF.
CCME?
Yeah, CCME on 212.
Yeah, what's your MCF on engine 3?
We had main engine 3, high pot, turbine discharge temp, channel A, that failed.
NTD CPROP. Go ahead, CPROP.
We got good temps on the engines, no indication of fire. We'd like to shut off the heat shield water.
Okay, you've got to go, CPROP.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I copy CCMA. CDR entity.
Go ahead, NTD.
Okay, did you copy the failure we had?
Yes, sir.
Say again?
Yes, sir, we did, Al.
Okay.
OTC DPS.
Go ahead.
DPS configured to GNC9. Downlist format is 44.
Copy that. NTD.
NTD copies. TBC.
TBC copy.
HGD, step 45, can you verify the E10 air tank O2 concentration less than 10,000?
HGD verifies 45.
Copy.
TBC verifies through 49.
Copy. TBC. TBC, step 52, standby, TBC. RSR NTD. RSR NTD.
This is RSR.
That's RSR. Step 53, post-cutoff safety checks are complete. Fire and leak detector status is satisfactory. Request concurrence to proceed with SRB SNA safing.
You have a concurrence to proceed with SRB SNA safing.
OTC step 54.
I copy. C-Power OTC, verify ignition SNAs are safe.
C-Power can verify that.
PDPS and EPD, DU equivalents and MEC critical commands will be issued momentarily.
EPD copies.
DPS copy.
And GLS perform SRB RSS SNA safing.
GLS copies in work.
JBFX entity.
JBFX.
Is your tower cooling water off?
Tower cooling water is secured.
Copy.
And OTC CGLS, the SRB RSS SNAs are safe and MEC critical commands are disabled.
I copy that. EPD and CSCP perform the ground power connect and fuel cell load share adjust for 55.
EPD copies. SP copies.
And flight crew, you can open your LEH visors.
NTD flight, go ahead.
Standby flight.
Endeavor flight crew, you can open your LEH visors.
Okay, that's in work. Thanks, Al.
And PLT OTC perform MPS helium reconfigure per your checklist.
That's in work. queue and reconfig's complete.
Okay, I copy that NTD. Stand by one.
Okay, launch team, once we get a critical safety and complete status, we're going to go to SU-7 Volume 3, Sequence 30, and that starts on page 45. That's SU-7 Volume 3, Sequence 30, page 45.
PD OTC. PFCP OTC.
SFCP, go ahead.
Yeah, I need a completion on that. Are you guys close?
Not yet.
How much time?
Let's check with EPD.
EPD OTC?
It's CPD.
Yeah, how much time to your complete?
Oh, about another 2 minutes.
Copy. We're standing by for that.
Okay, while we're standing by for EPD, we're going to go into Sequence 30. And GLS entity. GLS entity.
GLS on 2 and 2.
Yep, you can start the clock at 0 and count up.
Copy that.
LTC's Sequence 30, Step 7, OTV camera usage assignments per the matrix. OTC.
OTC.
TBC.
TBC copy.
STM.
STM copies.
Safety Council.
Safety copies.
OTC Step 9, can you verify has gas ready to support propellant drain ops?
CHD OTC.
This HGD.
You ready to support fill and drain ops?
That's firm.
And Step 11.
Copy to HDD, verify H2 and O2 below red lines for vehicle.
And HGD verify step 11.
Copy that.
And STM, you need to pick up Step 10 on page 47.
Copy.
LPS entity.
Entity LPS.
Step 12, Sequence 30, can you verify your printer plotters?
That's verified.
And TPROP, as soon as we can get a completion on our ground power connect and fuel cell load sharing, we'll get into Sequence 30 and get you into drain as quickly as we can.
TPROP copies. We're standing by.
And OTC EPD. Ground power, fuel cell, ground power, load share just complete.
Okay, I copy that. NTD critical safe and complete 63.
All right, copy. Step 66 in SU-7 Volume 2, Sequence 18, page 1052. All TCs performing your element recycles to T-minus 20 minutes. OTC.
OTC copies.
TBC.
TBC and work.
STM.
STM and work.
LPS.
LPS and work.
RPS. JRPS, you copy?
This JRPS negative.
You can form your element recycle Sequence 18, Step 66, and PTC.
PTC copies.
JRPS copies.
All testing personnel return to your normal command channels. Orbiter personnel remain on 212. NTD going to 232.
All orbiter personnel perform subsystem recycle operations per Sequence 19, Section 2. CMPS and CMPL OTC.
CMPL go.
CMPS go.
Support LO2 LH2 recycles per OMI 1003 and 1004 and report complete.
Copy.
Copy.
CHGD OTC.
It's HGD.
And monitor for recycle operations Step 3 in Sequence 19.
HGD verifies.
OTC HYD. Go HYD.
Recycle at T-minus 20. Complete. Step 12.
Okay, copy that. Step 12. Copy QC.
Copy.
Into the LPS.
OTC, CGLS.
Go ahead.
Are we in Sequence 18 doing our recycles?
You're in Sequence 19.
19 to do recycles.
That's affirmative.
OTC DPS.
Go ahead, DPS.
Sequence 19, Step 10. Recycle the T-minus 20-minute configuration complete.
Okay, and your steps, 49 through 59?
That's firm, and Step 57 is not performed. Steps 20 and 21 are also complete.
Copy that. MPS OTC.
CMPS.
Yeah, and CMPL also.
CMPL.
Yeah, are you guys ready in a position for to start drain back?
Yes, sir.
And GLS OTC?
Go ahead, sir.
Are you ready to start drain back?
Yes, sir. All our software is termed.
Copy that. SME OTC?
SME go.
Yeah, just check with you. Are you ready to support drain back?
Yes, sir, that's affirmative.
Copy.
OTC CFCP.
Go ahead.
Yeah, can we get a CMQC on 153?
QC 153, please.
Copy.
TC CLT12.
Go ahead.
Okay, I recycled the 20 is complete, and that's step 14 and step 60.
Okay, ACL. Copy that.
OTC CPVD. 19011 is not performed.
Okay.
And OTC PD. Recycle the T-minus 20 minutes configuration is complete. Step 17.
Okay, and you got the 61 through 63?
That's affirmative.
Okay.
OTC double S.
Go ahead.
Okay, Ohms RCS recycle sequence 19, step 33 through 36 are complete.
Copy that. And that's step 9.
OTC CGLS.
Go ahead.
We need to verify that MPS and SSME are ready to assume monitoring of the LH2 inlet pressures.
MPS, OTC,
MPS ready.
SSME,
SME ready.
And GLS copies.
And OTC PD.
go EPD.
Those recycle steps 61 through 63 will be not performed.
Okay. CPVD, OTC.
Is PVD?
Yeah, you gave me step 11, is that correct, in sequence 19?
I get not performed.
Okay, copy that.
GLS OTC 212.
Go ahead, sir.
And sequence 30, step 26
Sequence 30, step 26, copy.
through 37.
Okay, we'll put that in work.
OTC CGSS.
Go ahead.
Sequence 19, step 41, sound suppression system recycle is complete with the sequence 22 steps being not performed.
Okay, is 38, 39, and 40 your step also?
Yes, 39 was not performed, per the note.
Okay, copy that. And that's 190004, complete.
That's affirmative.
Copy that.
OTC CPVD.
Go PVD.
1942 through 44 also not performed.
Copy that.
PDR entity, rear to ground 1.
Go ahead, Al.
Yeah, Mike, just want to remind you that you're going to have water everywhere out there. We had our cooling tower spray activated, and also we turned on the heat shield water. So when you egress, you're just going to have a lot of water around. I just want to make sure you're aware of that.
Okay, yeah, we saw some spray come over our windows.
Okay.
EPD OTC 212.
This EPD, go ahead.
Yeah, ground pick system secured.
That's affirmative.
Okay, so it'll be not performed in sequence 30. RCRE OTC 212.
Go ahead, sir.
Sequence 30, step 211. Remove the range safety flight code in the OPFC&T lab for OMI S5018.
It's in work.
GLS OTC 212.
GLS on 212.
Yeah, how you doing on your system or sequence 30 steps?
Those are in work, sir.
Okay.
OTC CWS.
Go ahead.
Yeah, we're wondering, we're going to do the reconfig for sequence 30.
That's affirmative.
Okay, when we're going to get an Ohms RCS reconfig and be able to vent the OMI GN2 accumulator.
Let's look.
Step 77 is the reconfig.
Okay, we'll
ECL OTC 212.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sequence 30, step 70, potable water.
We're at 67% and it'll be 4 hours.
Okay, so you will want to do a drain.
That's firm.
Okay.
PSME OTC.
SME OTC.
PSME OTC, 212.
So SME go.
Okay, is your engine safe at this time?
Yes, sir, that's affirmative.
Copy that.
DPS OTC 212.
DPS.
Sequence 30, steps 40 through 48.
Copy. And work.
OTC FCP.
Go ahead.
I just want to let you know the transfer external reactions are complete. I believe that's sequence 19, step 15.
Okay, and 64 and 65 complete also?
That's correct.
Copy that. And CDR OTC, the closeout crew is en route.
MPLT OTC 212, air to ground 1.
Go ahead, sir, PLT.
Yeah, perform the ohms RCS reconfiguration per your checklist.
That's in work.
OTC DPS.
Go DPS.
Steps 40 is complete, 41 not performed, 42, 43 complete, 44, 45 complete, 46 through 48 complete.
Copy.
OTC, PLT.
Go ahead, PLT.
Roger, that's complete.
Copy. That's sequence 30, 77 through 80 complete. MS2 OTC, air to ground 1.
MS2, go ahead.
MS2, would you perform the RCS driver and ohms safing per your checklist?
And that's in work.
QFC OTC.
CLC 212.
Yes, sir. Is your recycle T-minus 20 complete yet?
That's affirmed, complete.
Okay, how about CGNC?
Yes, GNC is complete.
Okay, I didn't hear your report. That's step 5, and how about steps 20 through 27?
We're complete 20 through 24. We're waiting on going to standby a little bit.
Okay, but you are not complete with your reconfig. Is that firm?
Well, we're holding off on standby.
Okay.
And CNSE OTC 212,
CNSE on 212.
just let you know we're going to proceed with nav 8 securing in sequence 30.
Okay, thanks, sir.
CDR OTC,
OTC, MS2.
go ahead.
RCS driver and home safety is complete.
Copied that. CWS OTC,
Yeah, go ahead.
88, 89 in sequence 30.
Verify.
Copy.
OTC CL.
Go ahead.
Okay, we are going to need to be doing cabin venting, and I don't know if we want to pick up with that because it looks like the closeout crew is on their way up. And we'll start with step 121.
Okay, stand by.
Okay, CDR or ECL, you can go ahead and work with step 121 at this time.
Copy. CR, I just want to advise you that you...
CDR, stand by, go ahead.
Okay, this is ECR. I just want to let you know you probably get a master alarm also. On panel L2,
Go ahead.
cabin vent.
Because we went to 0 on the console.
Cabin vent ISO switch to open talkback.
Okay, that's complete. Talk back open.
And the vent switch to open.
Okay, that's switch open. Talk back's open.
Copy.
Okay, and ECL, just let me know when you want step 122. We'll record a pressure
Copy.
there. Okay, CDR OTC.
Go ahead, Bruce.
I'm panel 07.
Go ahead.
TACAN 1, 2, and 3. Mode switches off.
Roger, attack and 1, 10, 3 off.
panel 08.
Good.
Radar altimeter, 1 and 2 switches off.
Complete.
Okay, on panel A13.
Good set.
Okay, stand by.
Let me know when you're ready on A13.
Okay, we're standing by.
Okay, GPS, preamp, UC switch off, LC switch off.
Bruce. LTCC, okay, stand by just a second.
OTC CGLS.
Go ahead.
CGLS.
Yes, sir. Out of sequence 30, step 35. Dual notification is inhibited and systems are in control. And we have some steps to buy off for you in that sequence when you're ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Starting on page 51, all steps were complete there.
Copy, go ahead.
On page 52, all steps are not performed with the exception of 33. That was performed.
Okay, MPS, OTC.
MPS.
You copy sequence 30, step 33. Verify ready to resume monitoring of LH2 inlet pressures.
Ready.
Okay. And GLS step 35.
Right, on page 53, all steps there are complete through step 39.
Copy that.
OTC, CL.
Go ahead,
LTC.
Ready, CL.
Yes, for step 122, we record 14.85, and we're also ready for pickup for step 123.
Okay.
LTC CDR ready on A13.
Okay, on A13, GPS preamp, UC switch off, LC switch off.
And OTC MS2, that's complete.
Okay, and receiver processor assembly power, 1 switch off.
OTC MS2, that's complete.
Okay, in MS2, you can continue on, perform the fuel cell safing per your checklist.
OTC MS2, fuel cell safety is in 1.
And CDR OTC?
Go ahead.
Yes, on panel L2A1.
Go ahead on L2.
Okay, cabin vent. The vent isolation switch closed. Verify closed talkback.
Cabin vent ISO is closed, talkback closed.
And vent switch closed. Verify closed talkback.
Vent's closed, and talkback's closed.
Copy that. ECL.
ECL copies.
TC CGLS.
LTC CDR.
Go ahead, CDR.
We want to make sure we do not have a fuel cell safing procedure. We have a main bus switch safing.
And that's the same thing, I believe. It starts off on panel 013. Row A, essential 1 BC, main 8, controller circuit breaker open.
Okay. Okay, we'll put that one to work.
Copy that.
OTC, OVCC, 1232.
Go ahead, OVCC.
Yeah, I was in the white room up on channel.
Okay, will you configure the orbiter access arm for orbiter egress for op support setup 19? Report on channel 212 when you're complete.
We're doing that now.
Copy that. Let me know when you're ready to open the crew hatch.
Copy.
OTC CGLS.
Go ahead, GLS.
Okay, we're in sequence 19 at the same time, right?
That's true.
Okay, on page 1071.
Go ahead.
Okay, we can give you 1045 or 0045 and 46, and we'll have to report back post-test on 0047.
Okay, copy that. Your safing's
And we'll need a CMQC on channel 162 to buy off steps in sequence 65.
Okay,
or
copy
sequence.
that. QC 162.
Copy that.
CPD OTC.
CPD.
Yeah, 232, please, with NTD.
Copy that.
And JRPS OTC? JRPS OTC?
Yes, JRPS.
Steps, sequence 30, steps 103, 104, please. MPS OTC 212?
MPS.
Sequence 30, steps 105, 106. Performed, not performed.
Copy.
No, I'm asking.
Negative. That it does not need to be performed.
Okay, copy that. Thank you.
OTC MS2 main bus switch safety is complete.
Copy that. And MS2 on panel 015.
Go ahead.
Row E, main B. Drag chute, system 2 circuit breaker open.
That's complete.
And on panel 016.
Go ahead.
Row E, main C. Drag chute, system 1 circuit breaker open.
That's complete.
Copy that.
OTC, CFCP.
Go ahead.
Okay, I can call on my recycle steps starting on page 1077. Steps 66 through 77 are all complete. All options are performed.
Okay, copy that.
OTC, RCRE.
Go ahead.
30-211 is complete.
We copy that.
ISL, OTC, 212.
This ISL.
Step 107 be not performed. Step 108, performed or not performed for the next 6 steps.
Not performed.
Not performed. Copy. PVD, OTC.
This PVD.
Sequence 30, step 114, open the orbiter vent doors 1 and 2 on the leeward side. Report completion.
Copy and work.
SME OTC, 212.
SME go.
Yeah, did you complete your recycle to T-20 configuration?
That's affirmative, sir.
Okay, how about steps 28 through 32?
OTC, CPVD, 115, 116 complete.
Copy. Step 116 complete.
OTC, GNC.
Go ahead.
Okay, we're complete through step 242. And we'll be working on 243, and from there on, we need the EPD transfer the mech ARSIS.
Okay, stand by.
TC, OVCC.
Go ahead.
Just giving you a heads up, Bruce, we're getting ready to open the hatch. We're taking care of panels and stuff. I'll be a while yet.
Okay, copy that. Let me know when you crack the hatch.
We'll do that.
Okay, just give me a ready to open. We have to depressurize.
Copy, I'll do that.
MPS OTC.
CMPS.
Yeah, is your recycle per 1004 complete?
Well, the best we can do right now, we're not in drain yet. We need to get the crew off first.
Okay, we'll wait on that one.
GNC OTC 212.
Go ahead.
Okay, in sequence 30, what steps did you report?
Sequence 30, we're complete from step 217 all the way through step 242.